Hey guys, welcome to How to Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a group chat on Snapchat, right? So first of all, we will go into the Snapchat mobile application here and we will just allow all the permission if you need to, okay? And just now we will just go on the chat section, which is beside here down below. And after that, we have to click this, right? This one. So just click here on the bottom right side, and here you will get the option that is a new group, and you can add up to 100 friends. Okay, so just click on the new group and you can rename your group name here. So let's say if I just rename my group name test, okay, and you can add all your friends up to 100. So let's say if I want to add this person, and all right. So just after selecting all your friends and the people who you wanted to add the group, just click on chat with group, okay, and just click on the okay. So they haven't added me as a friend, that's why I'm not able to do that. So okay, not an issue. So let's say if I just go on and create a group, okay, so this is that person, okay, and I have to allow this, okay, and after allowing I can chat with them, right? So I'll just turn this up, and this is pretty easy call, guys, and this is for new call. And if you want to just click on the new chat, just click on the chat, and after that you will be able to chat in the group, right? So this is pretty easy. I hope you found this video really useful, and if you did, leave a comment down below. Make sure to leave a comment down below and also subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next video.